Okay. Girlfriends. I'm trying to be really quick because this is exclusively for my YouTube girlies. Y'all seeing this first. So I am investing in my content. So you all know I be on here talking about all the videos, all the ideas. I want to do all the things. But my camera, when I got my camera, it was supposed to be stationary in a spot, in a specific spot, my whole filming setup, just right there doing the videos. But now I want to do other things, but I didn't want to buy a smaller camera. So I think these are going to do it, right? So y'all know about the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Everyone knows. So these are the Ray-Ban Wayfarer Generation 2. Look at this case. And I don't have my microphone. I'm really in a hurry because I'm about to go to the gym and I'm going to use them for my first time in the gym. So I went into the AT&T store. This is where I got mine. Because I saw them on, it's different sizes. And I'm already a big frame girl anyway. So I didn't want the standard size. Okay? Battery 100%. It just told me that in my ear. Now, the test is really going to be what the footage is looking like. So prepare to see more videos. Actually, I'm really making this video so I can tell me what y'all want to see. You know, a lot of me and Jalen doing things. Definitely going to be in the gym with these. Because I really like the first person point of view videos. Because sometimes it's snowing, y'all. It was just 70 degrees yesterday. I need Cleveland to get it together. Okay, anyway. So, these are what they look like. I love the big look. I really don't even know what I'm supposed to. I know this is like to take the picture. So I just took a picture. Where it goes, I don't know. I'm gonna do all that learning on the way as I go. But yes, these are the matte black with transition gray. I love them. I love how they look. Now, what the video is going to look like is another thing. So these are the Generation 2. I really wish my camera would just stay with me. And, I got to go. Jalen, come get your shoes on, please. Yeah, I'm really interested to see what the quality is like. Because I'll take these bad boys right on back if the quality not good. Because that's the whole point, right? All right, to the gym I go. I can't be late because my trainer is already trying to fire me. So let me know in the comments what type of videos y'all want to see me make with the glasses, okay? Because summer is coming. I might want to act up a little bit. See? Why you gotta stick your tongue out? I'll be back.